Hey, it's Angela from Period 1, and I'll be showing you how to do DP2. So the numbers on the side, 1, 3, and 2, are basically the numbers that I gave them, so I can remember which rows I put them in. So basically, you just plug them into the matrix for the first step, and then for the next matrix, you're supposed to find the bottom left 0 first, which is that one, that 0. So what you do is you have to either multiply, divide, add, or subtract to get that 0 with another row. So what I did was I used row 3 and row 2. So what I did was I multiplied row 3 with a -1 and I added it to row 2. So once you take that and you make it negative, you should get -3, -1, a +1, -11, and row 1 is just 3, 5, 1, and -8. And once you add those together, you'll get your 0 here, and you'll have 4, 2, and -19 for the rest of the row, and the rest of the matrix stays the same. And then for the next step, you should be finding the second 0, which is in the second row, third term. And what I did was I basically multiplied -4 to row 2 and added it to 3, multiplied by 3 row 1. And then what you do is you take the row 2, and I multiplied all of that by -4, and I got -12, -20, -4, and 32, and then I added it to row 1, which I multiplied by 3, and I got 12, 18, 3, and 54. And then -12 and 12 gets me that 0, and then you just add the rest of the numbers and you should get -2, -1, and 86. And then again, the rest of the matrix just stays the same. And then for this box, you can see that you'll get all zeros, but what you do is you take, because you're supposed to be, so for this box you should be getting a 0 for this part. And what you do is I did row 3 plus 2 times row 2, and I took row 3 and just from here, and I just had 0, 4, 2, and -19, and then I took row 2 and multiplied that by 2, and I got 0, -4, -2, and 172. And those ended up canceling out altogether, and I got 0 equals 153, and obviously that isn't correct. There isn't a 0 that equals 153, so this system here is inconsistent. And that's basically what this is. Thank you for watching.